Yeah, I'm ready to go out. But first, I've got to get my toolbox together.
Toolbox? What type of toolbox?
My HIV prevention toolbox. There's all sorts of directables in here to prevent HIV.
What do you have in there?
I've got my abstinence in a box. This is the 100% way to prevent HIV. But I don't think I'm going to be using that tonight. I have my Winter Adams man dish as well. Always fleet before you eat. And of course we cannot forget our lube. Oh, don't worry. I have condoms as well.
A little bit too small.
Oh, don't worry. I have bigger ones.
Okay.
I've also got my Stigma Be Gone spray. There's so many misconceptions about HIV. Oh, I almost forgot. I've also got other things to prevent HIV as well. I always keep my religion with me. My doctor as well, because we know that treatment is prevention. I've got my educational materials as well. We've got pamphlets. We've got journals. We've got a Reason to Live campaign. And don't forget our AIDS United materials. So, you ready to go?
Yeah. I need to make me one of those boxes.
You sure do.